Yeah, it's cycle time. If master gave us homeworks about water cycle, then we shall give him works about water cycle. But first, let me introduce you to our cast members of Group 1s.
Hello guys, my name is Amethyst. I'm the director of the Group 1. Go.
Hello guys, I'm Wanadan and I'm your animator and also one of the actors for this video.
Hi, I'm Aina. I'm the actor of this video.
Hello guys, my name is Azrain Hazik and I'm the editor for Group 1.
Now, back to the video. First, let me give up one of my assistants, Aina, to explain the definition of water cycle.
Now we would like to define water cycle first. Water cycle is a continuous movement of water on, above and below the surface of the earth. The mass of water on earth remains fairly constant over time, but the partitioning of the water into the major reservoirs of ice, fresh water, saline water and atmospheric water is variable depending on a wide range of climatic variables. The water moves from one reservoir to another, such as from river to ocean, or from the ocean to the atmosphere by the physical processes of evaporation, condensation, precipitation, infiltration, surface runoff, and subsurface flow. In doing so, the water goes through different forms, which is liquid, solid, and vapor. The water cycle involves the exchange of energy, which leads to temperature changes. When water evaporates, it takes energy from its surroundings and cools the environment. When it condenses, it releases energy and warms the environment. These heat exchanges influence climate. The evaporative phase of the cycle purifies water, which then replenishes the land with fresh water. The flow of liquid water and ice transport minerals across the globe. It is also involved in reshaping the geological features of the earth through processes including erosion and sedimentation. The water cycle is also essential for the maintenance of most life and ecosystems on the planet.
Now, imagine if this very sophisticated, very organized cycle get affected. Well, total chaos would exist if it ever happened. Severely, of course. Not saying that humanity can't disturb it. Also not saying it can. Such damage can affect ecosystem and habitats of animals. How is all this ecosystem is disturbed? Well, many factors actually, like pollution, climate change, and deforestation. Not just that, excessive carbon emission can cause many man-made disasters such as acid rains and such. Thousands, even millions of lives may be get threatened by the effects of changing of the water cycle, around the world. Let's also take a look at the North Pole, which ice is slowly melting away. It can change sea level, affect a couple of physical geography problems, and can slowly but surely destroy natural occurring habitats and agriculture area too. For example, if the pole slowly melts away, then many countries may get affected like Japan, Hawaii, and even our Malaysia and most of the countries in Southeast Asia. Now you may be wondering, how do we want to stop this problem from spreading even bigger? As I told in my facts, it will be a catastrophic effect if it would actually become severe enough, not just to us, but all of us, humanity, and every single complex life on Earth. But of course, there's a way we can prevent it from becoming any further. Now, one of the ways to actually prevent this problem from spreading is actually to integrate or prioritize green or environmental friendly technologies in our everyday usage. For example, maybe solar cars or electric cars. Because firstly, we do believe that high developed countries like Singapore or US have a higher obligation to actually fight this effect that can affect the water cycle within itself. It will be important because we suggest that maybe like these countries should prioritize more on electric cars or solar powered cars on everyday use, and maybe they could sponsor some. So, ladies and gentlemen, first, we as humanity have a big responsibility to actually conserve these habitats, because most of the pattern or drastic change in the weather cycle or water cycle or the nutrient cycle, in fact, is basically man-made, and it's our big responsibility to actually conserve or actually to prevent or reduce the major causes that can affect the change of the natural habitats. With that, thank you guys for watching and enjoy the bloopers.
Goat. The
I
goat.
see goat here.
The goat.
You want to go through different forms?
One. One. Guys. Go.